Students, let us see next type of representation, frequency polygon. There are two methods to draw frequency polygon. First is using histogram and second is without using histogram. So let us see one example of using histogram. So here weight of children is given in kg and number of children. Classes are given from 18 to 19, 19 to 20, 20 to 21, 21 to 22, 22 to 23, 23 to 24 and 24 to 25. For frequency polygon we required pre-class and post-class. So here pre-class is 17 to 18 and post-class is 24 to 25 and this frequency is given. These pre-class and post-class are not there in the question, so its frequency is 0. So first we have to prepare table like this. Now we will go to draw frequency polygon using histogram. Draw x-axis, y-axis, their intersection is 0. Classes not given from 0, so use here crank mark, and here I use 2 centimeter distance to represent this class, and on y-axis we have to take frequency, that is number of children. I use 1 centimeter equal to 2 children, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this up to 20. Now these classes represent weight of children, so right here weight of children in kg. Y-axis represent number of children. Now first class frequency 18 to 19, this class frequency is 4. 18 to 19 class frequency is 4. So first we have to draw histogram. Now we studied how to draw histogram. So first draw histogram. (18 to 19) frequency is 4. Next class frequency is 13. So 12 and 14, this middle line represent 13. Next class frequency is 15. 14 to 16, this middle line is 15. Next class frequency is 19. 18 and 20, this middle line is 19. And the last class frequency, second last class frequency is 17. 16 and 18, middle line is 17. And last class frequency is 6. Now here we completed histogram. Now to draw frequency polygon using histogram, we have to take midpoint of each class. See, like this we have to take midpoint. Now here pre-class midpoint is represent frequency 0. 24 to 25, here also we will take 0. And now this midpoint we have to join sequentially with scale. You have to join this with the x-axis, then only it is called as polygon. So this way we can draw frequency polygon using histogram. One example from practice set 6.5. Question number 2. Show the following data by a frequency polygon. Electricity bill in rupees given and families given. Now here we have to show directly by using frequency polygon. We don't have to use histogram. So when we have to draw frequency polygon without using histogram, we have to prepare table. First column electricity bill which is given in the question. Second column class mark. Then third column families which is given in the question. And then next coordinates of point, because for frequency polygon like this we have to plot point. So classes given from 0 to 200. So its class mark is 100. Now we know how to find class mark. 200 plus 0 divided by 2. So 100. Here class mark of this class is 300. Class mark of 400 to 600 is 500. Class mark of 600 to 800 is 700. And class mark of 800 to 1000 is 900. To draw this polygon, as we know that we have to join it with the x-axis, means we required the frequencies 0, and for that we required pre-class mark and post-class mark. So if the first class mark here is 100, its pre-class mark is minus 100. Then post-class is 1100. And its frequency is 0. On x-axis we will take class mark and on y-axis family. So the coordinate of that point is minus 100, 0, 100, 240, 300, 300, 500, 450, 300, 350, 700, 350, 900, 160, 1100 and 0. Now we will plot these points on graph page. So here on x-axis we have to take class marks. So pre-class mark is minus 100. So that we will take on the left hand side, minus 100. And here 100, 300, 500, 700, 900 and 1100. Frequency number of families, I took 1 centimeter is equal to 50 families. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400 and 450. The highest frequency is 450. Okay. Now let's just plot the first point. First point is minus 100, 0. So minus 100, 0 means it is on x-axis. So here take point. Second point is 100, 240. 100 and 240. 240 means below 250, 2 lines. Here. Below 250, 2 lines. So here you can make circle for this so that it is highlighted. Second point is 300, 300. See, 300. Next point is 500 and 450. $700, 350. $900, 160. Now 160 is above 150. This is 150. Above 150, second line. And next is 1100, 0. Means it is on x-axis. And these points we have to join with scale in sequence. So this way we completed polygon. Now we will write scale. On x-axis, we took 2 centimeter distance. So 2 centimeter equal to 300 minus 100, 200, and unit is rupees. 200 rupees. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 50 families. 1 centimeter equal to 50 families. So this way we can draw frequency polygon without using histogram. Followed?